Hi, this is The King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, as I promised in our previous video, let us delve into the captivating world of stocks and trading and explore how you can potentially build your wealth. But first, allow me to paint a vivid picture for you wealth builders. Have you ever pondered how individuals earn money from the stock market? Or maybe you've come across tales of those who have experienced great riches. Well, you're in luck, as today we will unravel the enigmas of stock trading for those who are new to the game. So, without any more delay, join me, your king, and let's embark on this journey. Alright, first things first, wealth builders, let's address the obvious issue. If you're not aware, starting in trading can be absolutely free. That's right. There are platforms out there that offer zero-cost trading. However, there's a crucial step you need to take first, and that is setting up a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market, where you'll buy and sell stocks. Now, let's assume you have your very own brokerage account. With that, you can now proceed to have the 5 tips that your king has prepared just for you, which will surely help you kickstart your stock trading journey. Now, our first tip for beginners in the world of stock trading is to start with a stock market simulator, which is essentially like using training wheels before taking off on a bike ride. Wealth builders, these simulators provide a risk-free environment where you can wade into the unpredictable waters of the stock market. Imagine it as a virtual playground, allowing you to experiment with real market data without putting your hard-earned money on the line. Trust me, this step will build your confidence. Like your king said earlier, there are platforms out there that offer zero-cost trading. And by utilizing these simulators from those platforms, you're granted the opportunity to learn the ins and outs of trading. Much like a novice pilot mastering their first flight in a flight simulator, you can try out various strategies, learn from your successes and failures, and ultimately gain the confidence needed to navigate the real stock market with a steady hand. So, remember, before you dive into the exciting world of stocks, practice with a simulator to sharpen your skills and ensure a smoother ride toward financial success. Now, let's move on to our second tip, which is an essential piece of advice from your king. Invest wisely, choose right. Picture this, wealth builders. You've honed your skills with a free stock market simulator, and now you're eager to put real money on the line. But hold on. Before you dive in, here's the scoop. It's all about making informed choices. This means don't just jump into any company without doing your homework. Get to know the companies you plan to invest in, their products, their competitors, and their financial health. Keep a close watch on market trends too, because understanding the bigger picture can be your guiding light. And based on your king's experience, this will help you make informed decisions big time. So, what's the bottom line, you ask? It's pretty simple. Don't rush in head first, wealth builders. Think of knowledge as your trusty sidekick on this journey, and by choosing your investments wisely, you will be well on your way to navigating the stock market with confidence and hopefully prosperity. Now, let's discuss another golden tip that every beginner should need. Our tip number 3. Avoid single stocks, diversify investments. Wealth builders, it's a common pitfall to be enticed by the promise of a single skyrocketing stock. But let's be honest here, that's like playing a high-stakes game of roulette with your hard-earned money. And personally, I don't really promote any kind of unsafe gambling. Instead, here's a savvy strategy that your king always says in our previous videos. Diversify your portfolio. Really, wealth builders, diversification is your safety net in the unpredictable stock market. Imagine you're at a potluck dinner and your plate boasts a little bit of everything. Some savory lasagna, a slice of cheesy pizza, and a sweet dessert. This mirrors the idea of spreading your investments wisely. and that's what you want your stock portfolio to become. I'll tell you this, by investing in different industries and sectors, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one sector takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. It's a smart way to minimize risk and increase your chances of long-term success in the exciting world of stock trading. So remember this, wealth builders, don't let the allure of a single stock blindside you. Make your absolute best effort to diversify and fortify your financial future. Alright, here's where the fourth tip comes in. Commit to the long term. Wealth builders, in regards to stock trading, patience becomes your secret weapon. In this fast-paced financial world, the temptation of day trading can be captivating. The concept of making quick profits with each market fluctuation may seem thrilling, but it is crucial to comprehend the associated risks. Short-term trading resembles riding a roller coaster where emotions skyrocket and one poor decision can result in significant losses. Your king wants you to imagine stock trading as a marathon, not a sprint. Instead of constantly checking your portfolio and making snap decisions, adopt a mindset of holding onto your stocks for years, not just days or weeks. This long-term strategy can help you weather the storms of market volatility and potentially benefit from the upward trajectory of quality investments over time. Remember, wealth builders, patience is not just a virtue. It's often the path to more stable and rewarding returns in the world of stocks. So, take a deep breath, stay focused on your long-term goals, and avoid the roller coaster of short-term trading. Your financial future will thank you for it. Before we discuss the last tip, wealth builders, here's a question for you. What's the main reason you're interested in stock trading? Is it for retirement planning, financial freedom, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's have a discussion. Now, let's get back to the video. For our fifth and final tip for beginners in the world of stock trading, don't delay, start today. It's a simple yet powerful concept, isn't it? Wealth builders, the sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to work its magic. Time is a remarkable ally when it comes to growing your investments. Just think of it as planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the sooner it can grow and provide you with shade. Let your king reveal the real secret. It's basically consistency. You don't need to pour all your savings into the stock market right away. That's reckless. Instead, start small, even if it's just a fraction of your income, and make it a regular habit. It's like a fitness routine for your finances. The more consistent you are, the better the results. Wealth builders, this disciplined approach can lead you to significant gains over time. And I can assure you that by consistently investing across the years, you'll be amazed at how your wealth can flourish. So, remember this from your king. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And in the world of stock trading, that first step is starting now and keeping it going. Your future self will be dancing with joy for this amazing choice you're making. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.